Today, I want to talk about a theory that no astrophysicist, no scientist, no media promotes. It's called rare earth phenomena. So let's not waste time and get started. Earth is the seed of life to the greater tree that will be grown in the universe. This statement seems little intruding and contradicting to many other theories that we talk about existence of life and the universe beyond the earth. Many astrophysicists have a nightmare that to believe that life on earth is alone and mostly there is no life in any other exoplanet other than earth, and they don't agree with the rare earth phenomena theory. So what is rare earth theory? The origin of life and the evolution of biological complexities such as multicellular organisms, chromosomes, and ability to reproduce, and subsequently developing an intelligent species like humans requires an impossible combination of astrophysics and geological events and circumstances. So, according to this theory, complex or any extraterrestrial life is impossible phenomena and it's very likely to be seen anywhere in the universe, and luckily it only happened in earth and it's very rare. That's why it's called as rare earth phenomena. For many people, rare earth phenomena is untrustworthy because everywhere we see in the social media or in the media, TV, all we see is some extraterrestrial object being found or some exoplanet that can potentially host life is being published, but the red film is not pushed into the public. So what to understand why I believe that rare earth phenomena could be true, you need to understand how the life is evolved. The topic itself, how life is evolved, is so huge, so I don't want to go into the deep things. So I'd like to take a top view on how life is created. So, if you were to create another Earth like planet with similar temperature and pressure and other extra scenarios, and the possibility of it developing life is around 0.000 and 100 zeros and 1%. To give you an idea how complex this process could be, let me tell you, to create life, you need to have undisturbed environment for such a long period so that the organic molecules can be developed, and these molecules then can create a chromosomes and then create a long chain acids and then create RNA and then create a life called bacteria. And the life to be developed from bacteria to intelligent human lives should go undergo a trillion more evaluations to get from bacteria to intelligent life as human beings. I don't think it's very likely to happen everywhere. So now that you know what is the complexity of developing a life on Earth-like planet, you need to know what is even more complex is to have an Earth-like planet on every star constellation. It's not a common phenomenon to see Earth-like planet on every star. Here in solar system itself, we have Venus in the habitable zone, but there is no life on Venus. So the same way, every planet for every star shouldn't have, even though it's in a habitable zone, doesn't mean that it can host life or it can develop life. What this rare earth phenomena says is that the universe is under no obligation to you to develop life. It doesn't have a rule to develop life everywhere. What happened in earth is so phenomena, and I think this could be the seed to a bigger tree that can be grown across the universe. On the other note, universe was not created only to develop life. Universe is created with very less possibility that it can develop life. It can, but it's not created to develop life. So you could have a question, then how did we end up with all these alien theories or extraterrestrial objects? I think it's because humans like to fill the blanks and we tend to create assumptions based on the current scenarios. We do this on a regular basis, we might not notice, but we do it on a regular basis. For example, I can give you an example. So whenever someone get in a schooling days, when they get called from a principal or to visit staff room, on the way to principal room or the staff room, this we used to create this several scenarios, what could be the possible reasons why we are called to the principal office. Just the same way, these theories, alien theories, represents our imagination. That doesn't need to be true. So what I think is there is very high possibility that what we have is Earth, and which has created life, and that too intelligent life as humans. We could be the life that can be evolved into different life forms around the universe in the future. I think we will be the seed to a bigger tree. If you like the video, consider subscribing for more this kind of videos. Thank you for watching. Peace.